So this next section is substitution. Oh. Yeah, let's ignore that. So this should be a very easy section. Why did I say that? Well, remember we had minus 3 equals 2, right? And then we solved for it and then ended up getting x equals 5. Yeah, that checks out. Well, what if I said this? What if I did the complete opposite way? What if I did this? X minus 3 equals what? That's not what I want. X minus 3 is equal to what when x is equal to 5? Right? So we're just plugging in. So we just plug 5 into the equation, so then we have 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So that's why I say it's easier. I'm giving you the values, really, so it's coming back to your basic math. Basic math with an added step. So rather than saying 5 minus 3 is equal to what, I went ahead and added the additional step saying x minus is equal to what when x is equal to 5. So here I didn't give you the answer, but so in this one I didn't give you the answer, but when you look back here I kind of gave you the answer and then told you to solve for what is equal, what gives you the answer of 2, right? So the complete opposite. Right, and so the only thing that could become a little tricky, but you should be really familiar with it if you've been paying attention to the lesson, is if I say x equals 2, negative 2, right? And let's just say I have 1 minus x is equal to what? Now, what do you do in this situation, right? Because a lot of people I know would be like, oh, well, this is 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1, which that's not right, because you want to think of it like this. 1 minus 1 times x is equal to what? Then if I say 1 minus 1 times negative 2 is equal to what? Well, if you multiply a negative by a negative, you get a positive, right? So it'll be 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So that's a little caveat that you might see that I see a lot of students get mixed up on. But again, you should have the basics down on these various different ways to approach these algebraic concepts. So the next lesson, or the next section, we'll finally be getting into exponents. So see you there.